Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is Mansika, second year computer department student from Zeal College. Today I am done my PBL activity of data communication and networking subject with my team members Ajit Taji, Nisha Bettigiri and Varadraj Bhusade. This activity is possible due to guidance of Professor Gajre ma'am and Professor Tamboli sir, and thank both of them. Today's my topic name is prepare the specification for switching used in telephone network. First of all, look our outlines, introduction, switch, types of switch, specification and advantages. A telephone network is a telecommunication network that connects telephones, which allows telephone calls between two or more parties, as well as newer features such as fax and internet. A telecommunication network is a group of nodes interconnected by links that are used to exchange messages between the nodes. The link may use a variety of technologies based on the methodologies of circuit switching, message switching or packet switching to pass messages and signals. Example of telecommunication network includes computer networks, the internet, the public switch telephone network, the global telex network, the aeronautical ACARS network, and the wireless radio network of cell phone telecommunications providers. Switch. Switching is the most valuable asset of computer networking. Every time in computer network you access the internet or another computer network outside your immediate location, or your messages are sent through a maze of transmission media and connection devices. The mechanism for exchange of information between different computer networks and network segment is called switching in networking. On the other words, we can say that any type signal or data element directing or switching towards a particular hardware address or hardware pieces. There are basically three types of switching methods are made available: circuit switching, packet switching and message switching. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is generally used in the public networks. It comes into existence for handling voice traffic in addition to digital data. However, digital data handling by the use of circuit switching methods are proved to be inefficient. Packet switching, a mode of data transmission in which a message is broken into a number of parts which are sent independently over whatever route is optimum for each packet and reassembled at the destination. Message switching. In case of message switching, it is not necessary to establish a dedicated path in between any two communication devices. Here, each message is treated as an independent unit and include its own destination source address by its own. Each complete message is then transmitted from one device to another through internetwork. So, here are some questions. First question, what is telephone switching system? A telephone exchange, telephone switch or central office is a telecommunication system used in the public switch telephone network or in large enterprises. It interconnects telephone subscriber lines or virtual circuit of digital system to establish telephone calls between subscribers. Next one, which type of switching system is used in telephone network? The PSTN uses circuit switching for connecting calls. Business voice over internet protocol phone system use packet switching. This type of switching is more efficient than circuit switching because the data is sent and received as and when needed. Now, second last point of outlines, specification. The public switch telephone network is the aggregate of the world circuit switch telephone network that are operated by national, relational or local telephony operators, providing infrastructure and services for public telecommunication. The PSTN consists of telephone lines, fiber optical cables, microwave transmission links, cellular networks, communication satellite and undersea telephone cables, all interconnected by switching centers, thus allowing most telephones to communicate with each other. Originally, a network of fixed line analog telephone system, the PSTN is now almost entirely digital in its core network and includes mobile and other networks as well as fixed telephones. The technical operation of the PSTN adheres to the standard created by its ITU-T. The standard allows different networks in different countries to interconnect seamlessly. The E163 and E164 standards provide a single global address space for telephone numbers. This combination of the interconnected network and the single numbering plan allows telephone around the world to dial each other. Now last point, Advantages of switching used in telephone network. It uses a fixed bandwidth. A dedicated communication channel increases the quality of communication. Data is transmitted with a fixed data rate. No waiting time at switches and suitable for long continuous communication. Thank you.